Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Deadbolt. I am Rawrquaza, and I would just like to point out, like, if you watch the other Deadbolt, the Quaza Contemplates Deadbolt video, that was the beginning, so this is the continuation of that. Deadbolt is a game by Hopo. It's his new game. I am playing it. There is, I didn't mention in the last one, but there is like a epilepsy warning at the beginning, so if you're photosensitive, please, you know, exercise appropriate caution. We're gonna load game. I think we were on this one. We're gonna delete the top one. Oh my god, that is the best delete save thing that I've ever seen. Okay. Oh, we already did that, okay. E to exit. We're almost to the Scythe, actually. What's the fire got to say? Pale moonlight, touch no heat, zombies flock. Find out why. Dancing vampires won't notice their presence unless you shoot them. Said to be formed by betrayal from a lover. Okay. Alright. 1,000-year royals. Vampires are running a club. Find out why. Well, they want to make money, obviously. I don't know. The down out. A reaper? Ha! And the boogeyman, too? He comes. For you to... Dude. Sounds like they know me here. Oh, I do have a reflection. Look at that. Oh. Oh, there's one in there. Okay. I see. Okay. Wow. Alright, we got it. So, my thoughts are... the dancing ones are fine. God, the grinding animation, man. Yeah, there's one dude over there. That's fine. There's guys on the ceiling. Oh my god, I'm shooting just under their head. What the heck? I may have wasted, like, too much ammo right now. I did waste too much ammo. Alright. I got hit twice though. Do these do the knives not kill you? I was almost certain that the knives killed you. Okay, hold on. Let's check out this. This is actually faster. Oh, don't do that. No, no, no. I don't know. Okay. The other time we did that. Okay, hold on. Oh my god. Alright, here's what we're doing. Do I need to hit them in the head twice? Maybe I wasn't hitting her in the head. Good lord. Okay, see, that time they didn't even aggro. They're just like, oh, I'm so high. Okay, alright. Hadouken. Oh, there's a door in between. Oh! Dude, I can't even tell. Please. Alright, he has a gun. Watch out there. Let's go back out here. Let's see what's going on here. So they're on the ceiling. This is the only... Oh shit, the power. Okay, I'm running out of weapon here. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, that door goes down. Got it. All right. This is a crazy large level. They don't care too much. Okay, so if you turn out the lights, everything goes to hell. Let's Alright, good. Excellent. This is going well. I think we kill those guys. There's another guy walking through the door over there. We have these guys up here. Okay, yeah. He can shoot from the top. Remember to conserve your powerful animal. Okay, tips! Get out of here. Get out of here. I don't need the tips. So they're saying shoot this lady. Oh my god. Dude. What the heck? Okay, and I'm not always sure why these guys aggro here. Yeah, we definitely can't shoot these guys, so going over here would be a waste. We would get shot by that man. Whew. What are you doing? He just walked away. There we go. Okay, let's go up here. Also, it seems like we're getting hit more. We're getting hit like once or twice, maybe. I thought that one of the main points of the game was to like get hit once, and if you get hit once, you die. Okay, that's excellent. Coming down from this side is preferable. He cannot hear that. There we go. I wonder if I should jump down here. I think we should switch guns here. Well, hold on. Where does this go? Uh-oh. Okay. Oh my god. I regret every decision that I've made. I need him to... that was a huge waste of ammo. It was either that or die, though, so kind of in the moment, you know, I'm not sure. If he opens this door, then we might be okay. Okay, we're fine. Okay, we have a new weapon now. Okay, that's fine. They're all dancing. No big deal. There's only one dude left. Oh! Okay. Oh my god. Open safe. There isn't much inside. There are 2 envelopes. One envelope is full of money, probably club earnings. The envelope contains a date from 2 weeks from now and an address. The address of this club. It seems important. Alright, objective complete. Whew. That was the only objective? Did I not need to collect those key cards? Okay, I think we're just gonna leave. I was considering, like, okay, let's spray down the lower floor of the nightclub now. But, no, we're not doing that. Holy shit. Alright. We got things. Oh, we didn't get any of the tape decks? Oh, we have a picture now? Oh, there's a mirror, okay. Getting more and more stuff. I don't understand. More, so many more. So many corpses who forgot to die. Shotgun weapons are strongest near doors and entryways where enemies can't react until it's too late. Alright. Lux in Tenebris. The vampire's numbers are worrying. Thin it out. Kill 19 remaining targets. Oh god, here's some photosensitivity right here. Okay. Kill an undead using the toilet. We've done it. That's an easy first kill. I'm not sure if this red means that... I don't know what that means. Okay. Woo! No. Okay, that was not necessarily the best idea, I don't think. Holy god. Everyone's on alert now. This is crazy. Oh my god. Dude, getting those headshots on the... let me just try and get some headshots here. Nope, that's not a headshot. Getting the headshots on these, ladies is pretty tough. I don't even know if this was an ideal... Oh boy, we're down to one bullet. Oh! Oh! Okay, I didn't know I would open... I didn't know where the how close I was to... Oh, okay. Instead of wasting all of my ammo, what I should do is, I like how they get exclamation points. Instead of wasting all my ammo, we should go in and come behind them. Okay, I'm gonna have to go in here and use the shotgun. I didn't want to. Whew. Alright, well maybe we don't have to anymore. Got the SMG now. I really like doing that, that's funny. If somewhat not appropriate. Let's see. I feel like if we go up here and spray and pray, it's not gonna end up pretty. And of course it woke up the other lady on the toilet, which is not great. Oh, I thought I had the shotgun equipped. Okay, well that solved that problem. Let's just take it slow here then. I don't know why it aggroes certain enemies. See, now he's gonna come down here. Oh god. There's so many of them now. They're just gonna point their guns at every corpse. Sometimes I wish I could pick up their gun, you know? Dude, I don't like this. There's too many of them now. Oh god, there's 4 of them! I don't have enough bullets for this. Okay, we're gonna actually sacrifice a bullet here just to draw them in. Hopefully... Okay, that didn't work. Never mind! Alright, we'll try this again. I'm gonna get you to run away, or turn away. Okay, that aggro's that guy. Hold on, let's go over here. There's too many of them, man. I think the part that I'm missing... Oh, my gun's out of ammo! Okay, switch weapons. The part that I'm missing is don't let them see you. Go completely undetected. And then they don't get aggroed. That's the problem that I've been having. Okay. So now let's go pop the lady on the toilet. If you know what I mean. Okay, and then we can... It might be a good idea to just, like... Oh. Okay, maybe not that yet. Okay, I didn't... I was kind of... We needed to get something there. Let's try this again. That was... Shit, now we've screwed this up. Damn it. Oh my god. There we go. Combat shotgun. Come on, baby. Work with me here. Yeah, alright, you heard a noise. Come on, let's go. Through the door. There's another shotgun in here. Oh! No! God damn it. Okay, we almost had it. So here's what we do. We're gonna go in the here, we'll kill the one. That's a free kill. No reason not to do that. We're gonna go back in here. We're working, it's you know, there's an order to these things. Gotta just progress down one at a time, figure out the method by which we succeed. Okay, so that part is easy. We've unraveled that part. Next, I think, so we go up here and then we get headshots on these guys. I missed that. That was bad. Then we kill this guy. Come in here. Oh shit, you didn't open the door all the way. Okay, that was a waste. God damn it. Okay, good. That worked out. We're out of ammo completely now. And, this is not great. Oh, damn it. I thought I could get that gun. We were actually out of ammo. Maybe I need to go for this one first. Okay, we get these two guys. Come up here. Maybe I can... Yeah, that works. Okay. Let me open this. Get the Uzi. SMG. 9mm SMG. We're going to come in here. Oh, no! Okay, well, that's fine. That's fine. Try a different sequence. I'm working out my sequence, okay? Also, if you stand still, they have trouble hitting you, which is weird, but whatever. Let's go pop the lady. You die. And come down here. I don't need the tips, game. Those didn't used to be there. Okay, good. If nobody's alerted, then it's like, oh, that's background noise. That's nothing involving us. Good, okay, that's fine. Kill these dudes. Get this. Then we come over here. Shoot this guy in the head. Oh, he's over here. No, okay. Aim a little bit higher because they're really tall. Good. Okay, these guys... We're gonna... Come over here. Do that. Another combat shotgun. Oh no! I almost had it. Okay, that was just execution. That seems like a good way of doing it, though. I think we found the. Uh-oh. Okay, well we'll just restart. I need to get these headshots so that we don't wake up the entire neighborhood here. Okay, we kill the left guy first because he is sitting at the couch. No, the guy on the right is sitting on the couch. Okay, we're gonna shoot this guy as he comes through this door. Good. We have 3 shots left in this revolver now, which is more than I usually do. Oh. Darn it. I just didn't shoot it fast enough, I guess. Navigating around doors can be sometimes tricky. It's not that the game it feels bad in the game, but the hit I'm not totally used to the hitbox. Okay, we've caused this guy to be angry. Probably could have wasted him with a shot from the revolver and then not wasted the sawed off, but that's okay. I'm okay with that, because if we shoot this guy in the head... Oh. Well, you know, that could happen too. My goodness. Okay. Okay, that works. Center of the door, center top of the doorway. That's where their heads are. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, it's fine. We need to stand at the... Okay, good. I need more ammo this instant before this guy decides to... Okay, good. Alright, we'll take this other gun. I think it still has 3 rounds in it. Gotta go in frontal assault now. This level reminds me the most of Hotline Miami, honestly. Wonder how accurately we can do this. Pretty accurately, it looks like. Okay, we're gonna do this. Ideally, when he's not facing our direction. Oh, that was not okay. That was absolutely not okay. But somehow it worked out. I'm not gonna throw. We're gonna use the shotgun. Okay, this guy will come up here. Come on up here, buddy. Kill all undead. Did my mission change? Kill the incubus. I'm confused here. What? I don't think I have enough ammo to kill all the undead. My mission changed. Do these guys not care? Oh my god, the ragdoll. I guess we can just kind of hammer time here. Seems immoral, but, you know, whatever. As long as it actually doesn't jeopardize our mission here. Seems like Sledgehammer is a pretty good dude. This also seems pretty violent. Okay, well. That wasn't the worst thing, I guess. We got 3 stars. We gained 15 souls. We're at 210. We should be able to go to the docks and purchase the Reaper's Scythe. That's kind of what I was saving up for this entire time. So hopefully it's worth it, first of all. Long range slashing weapon can't be thrown. 200 souls. Let's get it. New weapon. Coinage. Buy a weapon from Sharon. Cool. Semi-auto shotgun, silent weapon with laser. Okay. How do we exit? There we go. I have no, the vampires reform. A lounge not too far. Discover their aim and bring them a storm. The lounge contains a safe. Maybe I can understand why these clubs have been suddenly appearing. Some vampires have their souls outside of their bodies, stored in phylacteries. They must be destroyed to kill the vampires. That's a lich! Not a vampire. Magical charms. The vampires prefer bottles. They will glow noticeably blue. We have a scythe on the wall. Okay, that's cool. The Bloody Mary. Another club, another safe. Maybe this one will have useful information. Alright. I usually don't do this, but... oh god. Please. Okay. How does this scythe work? Oh! Oh. Oh. Oh, okay, I'm getting it, we're fine, it's fine. We knock on the door and we kill this guy. Oh my goodness, we need to spam the scythe. The scythe is nice, it's this huge long-range slash thing. It's pretty good. But, I need to actually use it. Okay, this guy, we're gonna go up here, we're gonna get the gun. Oh. Oh! Okay. I need to shoot the phylactery. That's what I'm trying to do this whole time. The main problem is dealing with the lovely ladies while... No. Wow, that body is ridiculous. Okay, combat shotgun, that's what I'm talking about. We've got one of those on lock. There we go. That was a waste of ammo, but it's okay. Oh no! I tried to close the door, not fast enough. So we kill this guy. Kill this guy. Oh, freaking... Oh my god. Okay, we just have to be patient. It's a mix, right? Wait for this guy. This other guy's gonna revive before then. Oh my god! Right in the strike range. Okay, I don't think I can make it in one cycle. I think we're gonna have to kill this guy twice. Because we don't have a ranged attack. Okay, this is working out. These guys having, their phylacteries. Phylacteries are real annoying. Okay, what do we got? We have one dude up here. Let's go pop this guy's freaking self. There's a phylactery right there. So that's probably his. Could probably... yeah. Could probably bring this guy over here. So there's a door right there. Get him to come over here. Turn off the light. Shoot that. Good. Excellent. We reload automatically, which is super nice. Oh no! Oh! I thought I had the combat shotgun. That was my only, was the only problem there. That's okay though. Okay, good. Oh, these guys die in one hit to Scythes. That's so nice. Where are the lights in this room? They're right here. That's okay. Come over here. We can also come down to you, but it would just be more convenient if you would come here. Oh my god, this Scythe is so good. Okay. I need to get more combat shotgun ammo. I think there's still one dude down here. Having unlimited ammo on this Scythe is incredibly useful. There we go. Cut all power. Oh, there's the safe up there. Okay. Nice. You open the safe, and again, there isn't much inside. Here are 3 envelopes. One envelope is full of money. The second envelope contains a date a month from now and the address of the Bloody Mary. The third envelope contains an address near the docks. This may be important. Alright. Pretty cool. 2% of headshots were hit. Nice. I guess the body shots with the Scythe don't actually count. That makes sense. The Scythe seems to be pretty OP. It's basically infinite ammo. But I'll settle for low stars as a result of no headshots if we could beat the story. Candles have spotted vampires coming and going in the industrial district. Same address I found in the safe. I'll find out what they're doing. Suddenly the flames speak. The goals of undead are always the same. Some vampires will have phylacteries in difficult places and will have to be killed multiple times. Cat. I thought you could use some companionship, spoke the fireplace. Life is not meant to be spent alone. We have a cat now? I didn't even see. Oh, there's a cat here. Aww. Nice. Alright, bottle service. What are the vampires doing near the docks? Obviously they're docking. Protect the ash, it's worth more than you. Do all these guys come out here? This guy doesn't even open the door, okay. Whoa, he disappeared. Where did he go? I don't know what these switches are. I haven't actually been reading them. Oh, the lockpicking, man. I really wish this was a bigger thing. I love the lockpicking. Okay, what did it say? Open valve. Oh my god! Okay. One more try. Nope, I tried to close the door, that didn't work out. Okay, wait till this guy walks over, I guess. I don't know why this bouncer doesn't, Oh my god, I didn't hit the other vampire first. I don't know why the bouncer doesn't deal with it. Okay, that's fine. That's not optimal. Okay, wait till the vampire comes over here. He disappeared. Oh, he went behind the door. Oh. Okay, he had disappeared the first time, and I wasn't really sure why. So I'm gonna wait for this vampire to walk his butt over here. I don't know what these valves do. Oh my god! Okay, there are too many of them. We need to move faster than that. Wait for this guy. Gonna jump up here, kill this guy. Jump up here, kill that guy. Pick up this. Kill this lady. Oh, there's two ladies! It's fine. Flip all the switches. It's good. Burn all this stuff. It's fine. Come over here. And we'll pop out of the vent and scare you. Nice. That worked out. I don't understand how the vents are working. So, that's connected to that one, which we can't get. This one is connected down here. Oh, I see. Okay, so you need to pull the levers in order to get these to open. I got it. That makes sense. That's fine. Okay, and then we come in here. We go through all these vents. Nice! Destroy all remaining ash caches. Are there any more left? Oh, there's one more right there. Damn it. Oh, that didn't kill him! That was annoying. That's okay, though. We almost had it. That's... There's a short amount of time. Okay, open all the things. He's really high on the ceiling. Damn it. The way that Scythe takes priorities can be kind of weird. Okay, wait till this guy... They were not paying any attention. Open this. Open that. Oh, didn't open it. Kill that guy. There's always two right there. Okay. Open that. Excellent. Open this. Great. We're gonna come down here, open these. Get these. No, I need to open this vent. Okay, there we go. All the vents should be open here. Can we go in here? Nice, we totally can. Well, you know what? We could probably pick up an easy kill right here. If he stops moving. There we go. Excellent. Oh, so now... Uh-oh. Oh, damn it! Job was done. Return to my car. He had a shotgun. It's okay. Oh, it didn't hit the dude right in front of me. Okay, I don't know how the Scythe chooses prioritization. But it's obviously... Oh, shit. That's bad for business. We need this guy. Okay, good. Close that one. Come over here. It's fine. Kill this guy. Okay, there's lots of dudes coming. Lots of dudes forever. Oh, what? Make sure to check the mission objective. How about you? I already completed the mission, yo. Just gotta wait for this slow guy. Good. Don't do that. Oh! Whoa! I have survived. Okay, we're good. I'm actually going to take this opportunity to shoot out these lights, because these lights in particular are not my first choice. I think that will help a little bit. We can actually just go down in here. Maybe save some time. Nice. There's 3 dudes with... okay. That didn't even... Okay, you're the last one left, man. Maybe we could do this from right here. Alright. Sweet! Now just burn the things. And we're done. Just need these ones over here, okay. Oh, I can't do that, okay. Gotta drop down here. We actually have to go out and around for that. That kind of sucks. But that's okay, you know? That's all in a day's work for go-getting slayer of undead like myself. No. Awesome. We have reaped and we have sown. And something, something. I don't know. Bottle service. Is that the cat? Nice. The flames roar to life. Twins lost at sea, of lust and of pain. Women without love cannot live with me. Amber and Evelyn run brothels downtown. They are high-ranking members of the 1,000-year royals. They must understand the cryptic crit pick. That's a typo. The crit pick messages I've been finding in the club safes. Twins have somehow made each other their phylactery. I have to kill both at nearly the same time. Vampires are both the most attractive and sexually active undead, so it comes naturally. Okay. Indeed. I think we're gonna stop right here, though. Thank you guys for watching. we'll do this next time. If you enjoyed, hit the like button, and I'll see you again for another one. Take it easy. Bye-bye.